Rahul Gandhi's blue-eyed boy Revanth Reddy has suddenly become a big no for Congress in Bihar electioneering. The reason? His Bihar DNA remark. Just recently, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, along with other senior Telangana Congress leaders, was participating in Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar in August. But suddenly, his name is missing from the list of Congress's star campaigners in Bihar. What to say of Revanth Reddy? No Telangana Congress leader has been allowed to come to Bihar for campaigning. Interestingly, Revanth Reddy, shortly after assuming office as Telangana Chief Minister, has raised a big row on his first day in office. Revanth said, "My DNA is Telangana. KCR's DNA is Bihar. He belongs to Bihar. KCR's caste is Kurmi. They migrated from Bihar to Vijayanagaram and from there to Telangana. Telangana DNA is better than Bihar DNA." Telangana CM Bihar DNA comment raised a furore. He was strongly condemned by JDU, BJP and other parties. Even Congress's ally RJD distanced itself from the comment. Now that same remark is coming back to haunt Congress. The Grand Old Party is not ready to even bring any of its Telangana leaders to Bihar. One remembers how in each and every election held in the country in recent months, Revanth Reddy, along with DK Shivkumar and Sukhvinder Sukhu, has been the poster boys for Congress to showcase Congress's governance in Telangana, Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh. The trio even held joint press conference, but this time Revanth will be missing in action. Rahul Gandhi's Chhat Puja drama remark has already brought Congress in a back foot. Gandhi even gave Chhat greetings using the same image he had posted last year, revealing it as an act of formality. Significantly, Congress's Bihar bashing is not just limited to Revanth Reddy. Former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi did the same during assembly elections in Punjab in 2022. Channi, during a poll rally in presence of Priyanka Vadra, said, "Priyanka Gandhi is the daughter-in-law of Punjab. Will not let the Uttar Pradesh Bihar de Bhaiye who have come here to rule enter the state." His UP Bihar de Bhaiye comment was then strongly condemned in the entire Bihar. Even Congress's closest ally DMK, whose Supremo Stalin was campaigning in Bihar very recently, is known for its hate for people of Bihar and UP. DMK MP Dayanidhi Maran in 2023 sparked a major controversy when he allegedly mocked people from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh who migrate to Tamil Nadu for work.